Hello, my name is Saftab Chima and today I'm going to talk about Ohm's law. To understand this video, first we need to know what Ohm's law is. Ohm's law is a fundamental principle in electronics and electrical engineering. It defines the relationship between three key electrical quantities: voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage is the pressure that pushes electric charges through a conductor and it is measured in volts. Current is the flow rate of electric charges past a point in a circuit and it is measured in amperes. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current and it is measured in ohms. Now we can define what Ohm's law is. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance between them. This law is usually expressed in three mathematical forms. To find voltage, the formula is voltage equals to current times resistance. To find current, the formula is current equals to voltage divided by resistance. To find resistance, the formula is resistance equals voltage divided by current. To use these formulas, you must use the correct base units. For voltage, we use volts. For current, we use amperes or amps. For resistance, we use ohms. The easiest way to understand Ohm's law is to think of a water pipe. Voltage is the water pressure, current is the flow rate, resistance is the pipe size. If you increase the pressure, more water flows. If you make the pipe narrower, less water flows. A more easier way to understand Ohm's law is to use the Ohm's law wheel, also known as the Ohm's law triangle. In this triangle, you have to cover the value you need to find to see the formula. If you cover voltage, you see current times resistance. If you cover current, you see voltage divided by resistance. If you cover resistance, you see voltage divided by current. Now let's see what we have learned to solve these examples. Example number 1. A circuit has a resistance of 20 ohms and a current of 20 amperes, 2 amperes, flowing through it. What is the voltage? We know the formula to find the voltage is V is equals to I times R. We replace the values that are given to find the voltage, which is 40 volts. Example number 2. A 12-volt battery is connected to a 6-ohm resistor. What current flows? We know the formula to find the current, which is I is equals to V divided by R. We replace the values that are given to find the current, which is 6 amperes. Example number 3. An LED circuit runs on 9 volts and draws a 0.3 ampere. What is the total resistance? We know the formula to find resistance, which is R is equals to V divided by I. We replace the values that are given to find the resistance, which is 300 ohm. Ohm's law is also used in real-life applications such as electronic circuits, household appliances, electrical engineering, designing devices. In the end, Ohm's law explains the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. These simple equations help us to understand and design electrical circuits used in everyday technology. Also, not all materials obey Ohm's law. Materials that are called ohmic, like metal wires and resistors, obey Ohm's law, and materials that do not obey Ohm's law are called non-ohmic, like diodes, transistors, and LEDs. Thank you for watching. Bye.